you're having a great day. Sooeylife here. I am 53 and I am sharing anti-aging tips and face massages with you guys. The massages I'm showing you are the ones that I've been doing and I know they really work. Aging cannot be stopped, no, but we can slow it down. Yes, we could. Today I'm going to do a face massage that's targeting the smile lines and also easy facelifting. It's a very easy face massage, yet it works really well, targeting the smile lines and also the whole face lifting. So do this with me and it really works. After you watch my video, leave a comment down below. I'm always very happy to see your comment. Every week, there's a different massage on my channel to take care of the whole face. Every week, do this with me. It's the easiest and best way to look younger and to take care of the whole face every week. If you want to get extra anti-aging tips, join the membership. The link is down below. I just started my second channel. It's about fashion, beauty, and diet. Subscribe to my channel if you're interested. The link is down below. Are you ready to look younger? Let's get started. First, rub your hands together for 10 to 20 seconds. Next, make your hands like this, starting from here. Do this 10 times. Next, make your hands like this. So from here, just do this 10 times. And remember your hands this way, okay? Do this 10 times. Next, along your smile lines, make your hands like this. Just do this 10 times. Next, make your hands like this, and right here. Just do this 10 times. Next, make your hands like this. right here. Let's do this 10 times. Next, make your hands like this. Let's do this 10 times.